Welcome to another Matthumanpizza video. In this video, I'm going to show you a little bit of caution. Your side airbag, as you can see, it says caution, attention, SRS Side Airbag. Look at that. It's got a picture of a baby or a kid smashing into the side. It says do not, I guess it's the door maybe? Do not lean against the front door to avoid potential death or serious injury when the side airbag inflates. So the side airbag's like boom, well, it's boom. So it's so see owner's manual for details. You don't want to do that. And then we're like a bunch of different languages. So there it is. Don't lean against your door. So don't be sitting here leaning against your door. And that says, it's the front door. Yeah, this is the front door. So you don't lean against it, because if you lean against it, then the side airbag will go boom. And you'll be like, ah. So just sit right in your seat and have a good day. And this is Matthumanpizza. So when you're Matthumanpizza and you're making videos and drinking coffees and just having a good old time in your Toyota RAV4, just think. Just think of all the other videos I made tearing down all those vehicles and you guys watching, having a good old time. But this is a safety video, so use caution. You have airbags in your vehicle, and they will save your life. But they can take your life too if you don't follow these rules. So don't lean your head against the driver door or the passenger door or any door while you're driving, because that side airbag will come out. That side curtain airbag, it's up here. It's right here. Side curtain airbag right there. That's a curtain airbag, and then you got the side. You got the side over here. So you got the side. I don't know if there's any airbag over there, but there's one up the curtain up there. So, all right. Have a good day.